Hey guys, so this is the Durango Canyon updated apartment tour. I have done these before, so if you want to see the full video, I'm going to leave it down below in the description box. Alright guys, so that was Durango Canyon Apartments. This is a requested updated apartment, so I'm just going to show you the crime count and then if there's any sex offenders. So let's have a look. Alright, so I just wanted to let you know, with the crime count, you guys, they do update this every 2 weeks. It literally says it on the website, so I just wanted to let you know. And then also that 89147, it's that little box right there. So it's not specifically like in the apartments, it's just very either close to the apartments, but it's literally the whole section of the crime counts. So there is 0 homicides, 14 sex offenses, 14 aggravated assault, 2 robberies, 66 burglaries, 190 larceny, 57 motor vehicle theft, 3 embezzlement, 50 drugs and narcotics, 3 arson, 4 forgery, 63 destruction of property, 4 stolen property, 22 fraud, 0 extortion, 0 bribery. Also with the sex offenders, you guys, I did find 6 offenders in 6 locations, and there is also 1 person living in the actual apartments that is a registered sex offender. Alright, so I did tour the 1 bedroom and then the 2 bedroom. They were all model units, but right now the prices are pretty reasonable, you guys. Right now the 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom is 1A Colorado. It's a downstairs. That is 813 square feet, starting at $1,400 all the way to $1,500. Then you have the 1B Tahoe, which is upstairs, and that is 872 square feet, starting at $1,455 all the way to $1,470. Then you have the 1C Mead upstairs and downstairs, 786 square feet, starting between $1,500 to $1,570. Then you have the 2 bedroom, 2 bathroom. You have the 2A Mohave downstairs, and that is 1057 square feet, starting at $1,454 all the way up to $1,504. And then you have the 2B Hudson, that is the upstairs, and that is 1101 square feet. That is starting at $1,600 and $1,750, and these are fully renovated apartments, you guys. These prices, the $1,600 and the $1,750, is fully renovated apartments. Then you have the 2C Carson, upstairs and downstairs. It's 1182 square feet, and it is starting at $1,560 all the way up to $1,650. So those were those apartments, you guys. Now they say lease term is 6 to 15 months. And then it says water, sewer fluctuates on usage. Trash is $17. Renter's insurance is required. Residents set up their own NB Energy and Southwest gas accounts. Move-in fees is application fee, $55 per applicant 18 years and over. Administration fee is $150. And then it says $150 administration fee, refundable only on denied applications. If paying with credit card, refund is issued in 10 business days. If paying with debit, refund is issued in 30 to 60 business days. Administration fee is non-refundable on canceled applications. So security deposit is $500 on approved credit, and I'm guessing this is if your credit comes back like with conditions. It's between $1,200 to $2,000. Security deposit based on application results. Pet deposit is $250. Pet fee is $200 per pet. Max is 2. Pet rent is $25 per month for 1, or $50 per month for 2. Dog breed restrictions include Rottweiler, Pit Bull Terrier, Presa Canario, Doberman Pinscher, American Staffordshire Terrier, Bull Terrier, and Chow Chow. And then it says water, sewer, and trash invoice subject to surcharges. View location may have additional fees. Prices subject to change without notice, and there is a $20 utility setup fee for new residents. Now I'm not going to go through this, but I am going to put it on the screen. That way you can just pause it and then just have a look. Alright guys, but for the income requirements is income must meet 2.5 times the monthly market rent amount. With a guarantor, it equals to 4 times. It says one most current full personal bank statement, benefit statement showing benefit deposit, bank statement always required, and government benefit or income assistant letter statement on official letterhead and dated recently. A statement of annuity account payment showing regular annuity income dated within the last 30 days, or retirement pension benefit document on official letterhead, or two current and consecutive pension retirement pay stubs. Okay guys, so that was the Durango Canyon here in Las Vegas. I will leave the old video that I've done on these apartments. That way you can see like how far everything is out from these apartments, like Walmart, Target, all the grocery stores surrounding these apartments. That video I will show you more in depth. This is more of an updated version with the crime counts and the sex offenders. Hopefully that's a little bit more information for you guys. But if you do like the prices, the way that it looks, definitely book your tour when you come, and that way you can have a feel for it and see if you like it. It is on a busy road, but they do have different exit points. That way you don't have to go on that busy road if you don't want to. I think the location is pretty good because I feel like it's pretty central to a lot of grocery shops. You're close to downtown Summerlin, you're close to Durango, Casino, IKEA. So you're kind of central in that area. So yeah, I used to live at the Pace. So obviously it's about like an 8-minute distant drive. So it's not that far, but they definitely do have different zip codes. So yeah, I don't know how that works, but because it's like 8 minutes away. But I hope this video does help and it kind of gives you an idea about these apartments and if you want to tour these apartments. Once again, you guys, I just wanted to let you know that I'm not forcing anyone to move into any of the apartments that I show. I am just basically, you know, a girl that helps you with all the information that you don't get on their website. Hopefully I can help with everything, you know what I mean, like show you the groceries, how far everything is at, if the crime counts, and if there's any sex offenders. I really hope that I do come across as just helping, you know, and giving as much information as possible. That's how I want like my videos to come across. I never want to be like, oh, you have to move in here now. You know, like, no, like it's up to you. You know, we all have different preferences and we all like different styles, and you know, hopefully I can just help with that. And if I can, I'm doing my job right. So yeah, you guys, if you like this video, just give it a good thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to turn on post notification bell. That way, as soon as I upload a video, YouTube will let you know. Thank you guys for being so patient with me. I am doing my very best to get those apartments out. It is the new year, and I know that a lot of people are moving here soon, so I am going as fast as I can, but thank you for being patient. I really appreciate that. So alright guys, I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for coming with me, and I hope this video has helped. Bye guys.